Hello friends, today I did 24 volt 500 watt electric bicycle. I brought a controller, two pieces 12 volt 12 ampere acid battery and one 24 volt 500 watt motor. If I want to need more speed, I can activate my small motor too, but normally it is not needed. But there is a problem I did when I was making an electric bicycle. I did a mistake, which is that I use a acid battery. I supposed to use a lipo battery. Actually, you guys will ask why. Because in acid battery, actually, when it is 26 volt fully charged, in 15-20 minutes, slowly power will decrease. But in lipo battery, at once it will finish. I did this mistake. I don't want you guys to do the same mistake. If you are making an electric bike, don't use a acid battery. Yeah, this motor is actually, let me remove. I removed this motor from a pocket bag. It was in my stock, and this is sprocket and 24 volt 500 watt controller, and this is the charger on off, and this is a 12 volt 12 ampere 2 acid battery. Yeah, so let's give a try. Yes friends, right now I activated this motor also. Yes, here, from here. Now both of them we will try. Let's check. Both of them is 24 volt, but the watts, I guess it's different. It's not written here. It will be different probably. Let's try. Actually, I don't find a much difference between two motor and one motor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in other videos.